Welcome to our story. Today's story is Miss BIndergarten Gets Ready for Kindergarten by Joseph Slate and Ashley Wolf, who did the illustrations. It's the first day of kindergarten and oh, Adam Krupp wakes up. Brenda Heath brushes her teeth. Christopher Beaker finds his sneaker. Miss BIndergarten gets ready for kindergarten. Danny Hess rushes to dress. Emily Moko cools her cocoa. Fran Lister kisses her sister. Miss BIndergarten gets ready for kindergarten. Gwen McGunny packs her bunny. Henry Fetter bites his sweater. Ian Lowe says, "I won't go." Miss BIndergarten gets ready for kindergarten. Jessie Syke pedals her bike. Kiki Wong hops along. Lenny Loom says, "Vroo, vroo, vroom." Miss BIndergarten gets ready for kindergarten. Maddie Lindo looks out the window. Noah Bond climbs right on. Ophelia Nye hugs goodbye. Miss BIndergarten gets ready for kindergarten. Patricia Packer sneaks a cracker. Quentin Wynn high-fives his friend and Raffy Mack high-fives back. Sarah Von Hoff is the first one off. Miss BIndergarten is almost ready for kindergarten. Has to look good for them. Tommy Tuttle jumps a puddle. Ursula Crew ties her shoe and Vicki Denzel bites her pencil. Now Miss BIndergarten is all ready for kindergarten. Wanda Chen marches in. Xavier Rowe yells, "Hello!" Yolanda Pound looks around and Zach Blair finds his chair. He sees his name on that box. "Good morning, kindergarten," says Miss BIndergarten. And oh, the fun's begun. And there's her class, the end.